shoots, he scores, and the crowd goes wild.
Now you see it? Now you don't.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Sounds like Karate Man's awake.
Well, it could be worse. He could have wanted a drum set.
Ooh, I got a headache just thinking about that.
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Hey, Dad. I'm working on something that's never been done before.
You're cleaning your room.
No, I mean for my science project.
Were you able to salvage that old military walkie-talkie?
It's now my extraterrestrial corresponding apparatus. I rewired it, added a few telecommunication components, and rigged a charger for it. I'm waiting for it to boot up.
Freddie, you did all that from that nonsense your father threw away?
You know what they say, Mom. One man's trash is another man's treasure.
You know, son, I was just like you when I was younger. So curious.
Yeah, and in college, that curiosity led to countless chemical fires.
That may be so, but you're now looking at NASA's first
Aerospace biochemist.
Dad, you're so predictable.
We heard you bumping and jumping up there with all that karate stuff.
Dad, it's not karate, it's taekwondo.
And good morning to you, too.
Morning.
Uh-oh.
You know your hands carry over 9,000 different bacteria?
They're also lethal weapons, so I'd back off if I were you.
Boys.
Ooh, I better get going. We just discovered a planet past Pluto that I believe can sustain life.
And I'm off to the airport. I only have a short round-trip flight today, so I should be home before dinner. And Freddie, don't forget to take the trash bins to the front yard. Or should I say your treasure bins. See you later, honey. I love you.
Later, Dad.
You were so gross.
Freddie! You alright? I guess. Smoke? What happened? Whoa!
Hello.
Milo gave the orders beyond the sun. We do what I do, we the chosen one. It's Calvin, gonna save the day. Me and my brother gonna make you pay. Cause I'm a chosen one, and I'm ready to fight. It doesn't matter if it's day or night.
And I'm Freddie, giving you what you need. Taking care of Edomites for our super speed. We here for you, one day at a time. Watch out for the glue and those freaky eyes.
Show my friends hanging at school, getting the job done and keeping it cool. Now, just trying to talk to a girl. Milo hit me up, gotta save the world.
Got a problem, we got the vision, little invaders. We take the mission, chosen ones, doing it right. Zapping aliens in the broad daylight.
Milo gave the orders beyond the sun.
We do our duty, we the chosen ones.
Cosmic.
Don't move!
He moved.
Where'd he go?
Wow. Earth.
Ah!
Milo gave the orders beyond the sun. We do what I do, we the chosen one. It's Calvin, gonna save the day. Me and my brother gonna make you pay. Cause I'm a chosen one, and I'm ready to fight. It doesn't matter if it's day or night.
And I'm Freddie, giving you what you need. need. Taking care, eat 'em mice with my super speed. We here for you, one day at a time. Watch out for the goo and those freaky eyes.
Show my friends hanging at school, getting the job done and keeping it cool. Now, just trying to talk to a girl. Model hit me up, gotta save the world.
Got a problem, we got the vision, little invaders. We take the mission, chosen ones, doing it right, zapping aliens in the broad daylight.
I'ma give the orders beyond the sun.
We doing our duty, we the chosen ones.